Hello, our dear farmers. I'm Isaac Yotamanyire, Sales Manager, Nutrinova Limited. Today I'm here to talk about a few challenges we're facing with farmers. Some of these challenges include eggshell quality, where you're collecting eggs and eggs are just breaking. Lameness in birds. This is common in broilers, where you find birds are breaking legs. They cannot move from one place to another. Then when we go to cages, we find issues of paralysis. The birds are not able to stand. Birds are not able to eat well because they cannot stand. They cannot access the food and water. Then we get challenges of pecking in birds pecking each other. These challenges, some clients have tried to address them by increasing the quantity of lime, by adding discipline feeds, by adding MC-pin feeds. But at times you find maybe these issues have not gone away. So Nutrinova has brought for you a supplement called Nutrical. Nutrical has electrolytes which will actually help you get rid of damages on your farm. You will get away with the problem of lameness in birds, birds breaking legs, especially broilers. You will have to get rid of an issue of paralysis in cages, pecking on the farm. We advise farmers to use this Nutrical at an inclusion rate of 20 ml in 20 liters. That's its dosage. Then also we advise clients to have a supplementation program at least every month, to have Nutrical on their supplementation program. You can have this Nutrical in quantities, in packages of 1 liter. You can have packages of 5 liter. You can also have packages of 25 liter. You can access this Nutrical all over the country in vet pharmacies, in Nutraco shops, in all our shops all over the country. You can also